Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie from LadyMeraki Designs. Today we have something very exciting we're doing. We're outside, as you can see, which I never do, but here I am on this lovely, breezy, cold day. We are going to be taking some curtains me and my mama made like 2 years ago or something for our craft shows, and we're going to be dyeing them. So my colors for my overall booth is black and purple. And so I got some purple dye, I got some black dye, and we're gonna see what happens. So this is what they look like beforehand. I'm about to fall over. This is what they look like beforehand, all set up. They're cute, they're fun, but they're not my colors, and I want to use them. So, oh, I'm not too close. First thing that we need to do is find a stick. Find a stick. Alright, so I found a stick. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm going for like an ombre effect with like purple at the top and going down to a black. So my plan is that I'm going to add the purple first, dip the top section, and then add the black, and then like, we're just going to wing it, okay? Do I have enough dye? I don't know. Do I have enough water? I don't know. We're just gonna go with it, okay? But I do got gloves, so 0.1 for me. Oh. We want to swing from the chandelier. Sorry, Mr. Stick. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do it like all at once. So I'm gonna like scrunch them all together. Alright. I guess I should have grabbed like a cup. Let me go grab a cup. Okay, A&M fans, don't come for me. See, I was gonna try to not have to take them off this pole, but I think the best way that I'm gonna be able to saturate it is to take them off the pole. So, sucks for you, future Jamie. Okay, well, at least I got a better stick now. I really hope this turns out the way it like looks in my head, because right now it's not looking so promising. But you know, we're just kind of like go with the flow type of channel, so we're going with the flow. Be back in like 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna try really hard not to drop my phone, but this is a 5-minute update. Alright, so this is after 20 minutes. I am like actually kicking myself now for taking all the loops off, but I just didn't see a different way to do it. So now, while they're still developing, I'm gonna, cause like to do the bottom half black, I'm gonna have to take these top loops off, because of course I don't want the top loops black, because that defeats the whole purpose of an ombre. So now I'm just gonna loop all the fabric back on the PVC pipe. Zero out of 10 Would not recommend. I could have came up with 1,000 different ways that I could have done that so much easier, so much better, but there they are. I did it. They're okay. I'm hoping once I get the black on there, they start like coming together, because right now they're kind of looking not it. So got my black dye. Like I said, we're going for like an ombre effect, so I think I'm gonna add like 1/3 of the bottle, and we're just gonna see how that goes. Bada ba ba boop. Bada ba 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 boop. Boop. Okay. Do a little mixy. All right, let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna let you guys sit for about 30 minutes, and I'm gonna come back, add some more dye. Well, I'm gonna take some of the fabric out, add more dye, let it sit for maybe another 30 minutes or so, and we'll see what we have. Whoa. Nobody wants me to be great. Why can't I just be great? Okay, so I'm back outside. I think I let this sit for like an hour. I got distracted. Alright, so this is the update. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty purple. So I'm gonna take like half of this out, and I'm gonna add the rest of the dye. Oh, it is fucking heavy. Hold on, I need 2 hands. Alright, so I took half of it out. I'm gonna add the rest of my dye. Mix it up. Also, I have the shirt that I like, it needs to be dyed, so I was thinking like, hey, why not, and like add it to the bunch. So, ew, that looks so ugly. It's okay. Alright, so I will see you guys in probably another hour. Bye. Bye. Okay, you guys, so yesterday it ended up being too late for me to come back out, but this is the final result. I feel like now the only thing, look, I broke my dang canopy today, but anyway, regardless of that, I think now the only thing that I would change is, since they've gotten wet, they've kind of like shrunk, like they've like bunched together a little bit, and so I think now I just need more to make it more, like, as you can see, like from the beginning video, they looked a lot more full, but now they don't. The overall effect is nice. Let me back up. See, it just looks so like sad, you know, like the thought is there, there's purple on the top, then it fades into black. It just looks so sad now because it's like not as full. But I did get an idea while I was hanging them up, so let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I kind of like have them tied up and kind of like a curtain. The only thing is, somehow this one ended up with less amount of strings than this one. This one's a lot more full, so maybe I can talk my mom into making some more with me, but who knows. That was a big project, a long project, so we'll see. But I do love them. I will use them. So the next craft show that I do, I will definitely use them probably this way, where they're kind of like tied up, unless I'm in like inside and like against a wall maybe, then I will have them down. So it just kind of depends on where my next show is, how I'll style them. But that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you like content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.